Good day everyone. This video is all about the self-introductory. So before I start, I will introduce myself. I am Juvenil Rondina Sompo, a Vice third year. So here's the English. Allow me to read the English introductory paragraph. Hi, my name is Juvenil Rondina Sompo and I am a 24-year-old currently living in Tampilisan, Labrador, Buug, Zamboanga, Sibugay. I am a God-fearing man and I'm passionate reading Bible notes. I am friendly, outgoing, and hardworking individual. I am always willing to help others and I'm always eager to learn new things. I am also a good communicator and enjoy working in a team environment. I am excited to be here today and I look forward to getting to know all of you. So here's the Arabic uh, Marhaban, ismi Juvenri Rondina Sompo, wa umri 24, iaman waish, halian fi Tambilisan, Liabrador, Boj, Sambuanga, Sibugay. Ana rajul yaksha ala wa ana iatifi kiraat mulahazat alkitab almikadasi. Ana syaks wadud wa muhat tahido ana daiman iala iastidad limo sa idat alakhirin wat atata ile daiman ni iala tailom ay siya dahidatan. Ana anjan ujid alwatawasul wa estimi baya amal fi bayat jamaiyatan atin. Yusi duni an akon Juan Ailam wa atata Ali ya alta iarof ya ilaikum jemian.